Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration S12CCX. Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 125 PS Factory Fitted Crew Cab Limited L2 No VAT. It has done 137,000 miles. The van comes with air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated seats, heated windscreen, parking sensors, Bluetooth, DAB radio, cruise control, 6 seats. This Transit Custom is the limited model with a great spec, finished in magnetic gray metallic, and is in very tidy condition for its age and mileage, ready to drive away. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.